Hello everyone. The next project is the malware classification with web integration. So this is the project. Someone has requested me to create this type of project. I have tried. So first, this is the import PyForest library. It's working. This is the data set path df. Then malware dataset.csv. This is the dataset name and this is the column. These are the column. There are 35 columns. Okay. The next is the now look the shape. So 10,000 rows and 35 columns. Information is a float type, integer type. So these are the hash is object type and classification is also object type. Okay, all are the integer. Now describe show the mean more statistical values. So this is the statistical value count mean standard deviation. So it's give the all statistical value. The next is check the null value. Is there any null value? So there is no any null value. Okay, these are the 35 columns. Now classification is you know that it have object type. So first we count the value, how much the value. So malware is 5,000 and Binigan is also 5,000. 5,000, sorry, 5,000. So first we convert it using the map function df. This is the column name classification and dot map where I pass the malware is denote to 1 and Benigan is 0. So it's working now. Check. So you can see the classification. This is the column. It changed the values 111 or now processing using the labor encoder. So from sklearn preprocessing import labor encoder. So we convert the hash is also object type column. So we use the labor encoder. Le is a method name, is a variable method name. Then we pass the labor encoder. Then df is a variable. Hash is the column name where I pass the le dot fit and dot underscore transform df hash and also drop the hash column. Same is y and print give the hash and print y. So there is the it give the output after label encoding. Now training and testing. So it's working. This is the module sklearn model selection import train and test. Now splitting the data x train y train x test and y test and where we pass the test size I have given 0.3 and random state is 0. It start from the 0 and 30 means 70% is training data and 30% is testing data. So it's working. Now looking the after training testing data shape. So it's give the shape 7,034 and 30,034. Same is the y train dot shape and so it's give the shape. Now the next is the using the classification. From sklearn.assemble import random forest classification. So we use the random forest classification. So it's working. Now initialize the create the method. So this is the variable name. You can take anything. RFC I have take variable name because a random forest classifier, and then pass the arguments and state 100 and random state 0. It's also working. Now fit training the data RFT dot fit where I pass xtrain and ytrain. So it show the random forest. Now after training, now predicted the data. So it's give the 3896 in array format. Now next one is using the sklearn dot matrix where we use the classification report, confusion matrix and accuracy. So it's working. Now print the classification report where I pass the y test and y predict. So it show the classification. This one is the precision, recall, F1 score, support. These are the accuracy. It show all these. Now print the confusion matrix. So this is the confusion matrix. Okay. Now I want to see the confusion matrix only using the column values. So where I have created the variable name confusion matrix, then I pass the confusion matrix where I pass the y test and y predict, and using the heat map, then variable name, then these are the argument, and extract np dot unique where I pass the column values is a malware and Bennigan. This is the column value, classification column value I pass. I want to see to predict the actual value. So this is the Bennigan and this is the malware. Now feature is importance. So feature importance where this is the variable, then we pass the pd dot series, and this is the method name random forest classifier, and then dot feature importance where we pass df dot index. This is the column name, and in place is equal to same is the it start for the 12. Then plot kind equals to bar title. You give the title, it show the 12 rows. Okay, and color, then y level, it is importance of score, and then show. So it show the 12 features. Same is the feature importance. First we create the variable name, then pd dot series, and then we pass same random forest method name feature importance index equal x dot columns. It now it will takes all columns name of the data set. So there is short value ascending equal false. By default it's true, that's why we give the false. Then create the visualization. So create the plot plt dot figure size 12:6 feature importance, then plot where kind I'm using the bar plot, then give the title name feature importance, then x level feature, and y is importance. So it's give the feature importance all main column which are used is a 33 column, is fetch the 33. One is drop, hash column is drop, total is 35. Now prediction, the distribute. So prediction, I have taken the variable prediction distribution pd dot data series. Now I want to predict, and where I pass the y predict. Okay, and prediction distribution, same variable name, where I write predict label. You can write anything. Where I pass the le is a label in encoder method variable name, where I pass the le label encoder dot inverse underscore transform, and then pass the prediction underscore distribution, this one, and then again give the prediction. Now plotary expression histogram using the, and same, I predict the x equal prediction label, title prediction distribution, and label prediction label, and malware label. You can write anything. Oh, okay, then predict the figure. So it show you the histogram plot, prediction distribution plot. So this one is the, so it count the value also. This is the malware label, and it count the value. So you can see the all value. There is the 299 label, there is 360, there is 301. So all you can see the values of the, okay. Now next one is the web integration. Now we using the Flask. Also you can use the virtual environment. So you know the Flask is a web application framework which is written in Python or Zinja 2. This is the also the module import. Joblib is also the library, and pickle is also the model, and joblib is also the model. So pickle is used to save the Python object like ML model or any disk. We in using the pickle we can upload to the data or any file. Okay, so first we save the file, because this is the file, actual file of the data set name malware underscore module. So dot pk is a extension to save the file in pickle file. Save the file in writing binary mode as f, and pickle dot dump, and then rfc is a random forest, is a method which I have created, and then file. So it's saved in my desktop, because when we use in web integration, so it work from upload the file. The next method is also you can use the model joblib. This is the joblib. Also you can use the joblib. This is the second method. If you think that this is the typical, that you can use the same, is also work like a first one. Joblib dot dump, same random forest is method name, and give the file dataset name. So it's also working. So you can use anyone saving the. Now come to the Flask web integration, web server gateway interface. Okay, so it's work the mainly. This is the class app equal Flask. The name is and is our WSGI application. Now this is the app dot root. It is the associate function. We use the method equal to post. Then def we predict. Use the class predict. Then there I have take the variable data is a main function, and next one is data is request dot JSON. So JSON, it converted request dot JSON means it converted the requested data to convert into Python dictionary. It converted data into Python dictionary. So that's why we use the request dot JSON. Then sample is a variable. Then we again pass the pd.data frame where we pass the data and model equal sign. Then pickle is a model name that load and open. Then we open the file. This is the data set file name which I have saved, and it open in the read binary mode. Okay, then prediction is a variable. That same method name random forest dot predict sample. It start for the 0 and return to the JSON file predict str and then prediction. And now this is the use for the run. If name equal to main, then it run. So it give the run app dot run host equal for 0.0.0 and port equal 500. This one is also the run method, and this one is also the run method. You can use anything, both of them. I am using this one, but it is not working properly. In my case, I have used so many times, but it show the error. You can try. If it's working, it's good. So it's give the server service. So this is the path of the browser. It give the. So if I open this, it show the error. So there is problem. It show the problem. The connection is not unable to connect. The second one also is not working. I'm also used the virtual environment, but it not work properly. Flags underscore name and name. It is a class. So you can try it. Maybe it work, but in my case it not work. So it give the service class serving Flask app main, and also this is the. I also use the WSGI web server gateway interface, but it also not working in
Thanks
my
for watching.
case.